Alright guys, it is bright and early in China now. We are finally headed to our final destination at the moment. After literally like 30 lines. This airport is insane. Like there are so many lines to get through.
Immigration, this is crazier than the US.
No, seriously. Oh shoot, it's a red tape. So we have our little buns here. This one, and not sure what that is. Oh, sticky buns. And then what do we have here? Pineapple cake, guys. Amazing.
So we were originally gonna pop off to this 7-Eleven right here, but this one looks a little bit small, so we're gonna go explore that one right down the street. These things are awesome. They're like McDonald's over in the US.
Hey guys, so we're in the middle of Taipei right now. Wow, so amazing, guys.
It's like step
It's
down
so
from our
busy.
hotel and we're in the middle of like the city.
It's like a huge intersection.
Dead center. This is
Literally
the
the
perfect
biggest
spot.
intersection. We're gonna get to 7-Eleven.
Chanel right there.
Chanel?
Yeah, they have Hermes, like Rolex right there.
Oh yeah, this
We're
is
literally
like,
in the best like shopping center slash food center in
oh
Taipei.
my god. I love our hotel. Thanks guys. Hey guys, we made it to the 7-Eleven. This is a little bit bigger. I don't think it's like that big in terms of 7-Elevens. Like,
These fun
are here.
supermarket sized one.
Yes, we need to get a big one. But for now, we're gonna explore this little. So excited.
You guys gotta check out all these options.
Oh my god, oh my god. Yes, 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 yes. I know. Hey guys, so yes, I changed again. It was so hot. Me and Skylar went to, where is this?
This is the Guangzhou electronic department store. So
Yeah.
I guess there's like a bunch of different types of like video games in here that you can play like in a big giant group, and then a lot of electronics and products.
This is awesome. It's like an electronics mall. I love it. So we're at this awesome barber shop called Craftsmanship. It's so nice. They actually give you free drinks that come included with like your service. So I think Skylar's getting a drink. I'm just gonna wait here with all the stuff that we bought.